Hi, this is John with WTI, and trying to keep all my surroundings clean and neat, my whole environment when it comes to my desk and my working space. I use this Lysol Disinfecting Wipes, lemon. In this case, this is a lemon lime scent, and just getting one of these guys, you just start to rub on in all the areas near to my computer and my desk. I work from home, so I always try to keep my spaces and surroundings clean and neat. Not only that, any surface that I want to keep it disinfected. I live in a pretty much dusty area, and I am constantly having to clean my area a lot just so I can keep my allergies away. And this personally, in my case, has been a great help for it. It's just a great take-on wipe. Just start cleaning and disinfecting each area. My fan, my working desk, and try to keep it away from my electronics because, you know, liquids and electronics don't work yet. But any other cases, this is a great working space just to keep your working area just clean and neat. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.